Hello everyone, so I've been here looking at this secondhand store and checking out all kinds of different clothing items, and we're looking at what is vegan and what is not vegan. So things that are not vegan are things that contain wool or silk or any other stolen body parts from animals. But things that are vegan are things that are made out of polyester or cotton or acrylic. Yeah. Oh, somebody seems to want to talk to me. Oh, I don't like being recognized in public. Hello.
Nice to meet you. Vegan teacher.
Are you vegan?
I am not vegan, but I respect vegans a lot. I respect it.
I have been vegan. Yeah, I was vegan when he was a baby. We lived in a house in Vancouver. And everybody was vegan, and my body was okay for a little bit of time, but it was still craving other fats and different things. So it was good to try it. Yeah.
Do you know what the definition of veganism is?
Yeah, for sure.
What is it?
Well, not eating any animal, nothing animal.
Well, it's actually the definition of veganism is that we don't exploit animals. So we don't eat them or wear them or use them.
Yeah.
So in a store like this, for example, I'm here looking around and I'm going to make a video about what kind of products are vegan and what aren't.
Right. Yeah. So this wool sweater, depending on the source, may not be vegan.
Well, anytime that you're stealing anything from animals without their consent, it's considered to be not vegan.
Right. Yes.
So the sheep didn't ask to be bred to produce all this extra wool, and I know they're warm, right? It's a tough one, but yeah, it's considered to be exploitation, just like going to a zoo because they're there to make money.
Yeah, zoos are sad.
Or riding elephants or riding horses.
Right. Yeah, it goes deep. I understand that.
Yeah. So what stops you from being vegan?
Honestly, nothing. I feel like I could go vegan right now. I've grown up eating meat, and it's like something that's just like in my, I don't know. It's just so normal for me. But like, I'm not against it, and I respect people who are. I respect it. I don't know.
So nothing's stopping you, and you say vegan before. Why don't the two of you go vegan, like on January 1st, for example?
It's a personal choice because I know how my body feels when I consume different things, and I feel really good when I consume animal fat. I also feel good when I consume coconut oil and olive oil and avocado oil and different plant-based fats, but I think it's really important.
Do you think that if I needed your body parts in order for me to feel good, it would be okay for me to take them from you?
Well, it would be, because we're human, you would ask. It's different.
Okay, because it's an animal, you can exploit the animal?
No, I didn't say that. You did.
Well, you said that you decided to eat animal products, and you don't have to. Because it's been proven by science. Yeah, it's a choice. You're right. You can choose to hurt somebody, or you can choose to be kind.
Yeah. And again, it's your words. I know that you're very passionate about this.
Well, are you choosing to be kind to animals or cruel?
We have animals. We have pets.
We have many. Yeah.
Are you choosing to exploit animals and pay for their demise, their suffering, their torture, or are you going to choose to be kind?
I feel like your language is actually really directed at me, like
because you're the victim, right?
I'm not choosing to be a victim, but you have.
So you know what? I'm gonna. Well, no.
Yeah.
You're acting like you're the victim. Like I'm standing here in the store doing my work. You came up to me, you want your picture taken with me.
I recognize you because from TikTok in like 2021.
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm not hating. I was asking for a picture out of respect.
What I'd like to ask you is, I get the feeling, because you said there's nothing stopping you from being vegan, right?
Yeah.
That you said you recognize me, you've heard all the arguments, I assume. So what is stopping you? Why don't you become vegan regardless of what your mom does? Because I'm going to tell you something about your mom, okay? She's lying to herself. Every single product that she is taking from animals can be taken in a vegan version. There's no need for her to have quote-unquote animal fat. That's ridiculous. There are vegans in the Olympics, and anywhere where you study this, there is no reason for her to eat eggs or cheese or milk or dairy. So your mom first needs to know the facts about that. Maybe you don't know them, but hopefully you're open enough to research that. Yeah. So let's just assume that you do the research, okay? You go home, you ask ChatGPT, Google, or whatever you want, for peer-reviewed scientific literature. You go to Physicians Committee for Responsible Medicine. You go everywhere, and you ask, can I be healthy, 100% healthy, eating only vegan foods? And let's just say it says yes, because it is a fact that you can. Okay. So then the physical part is not something to worry about, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so then what would be the challenge? Obviously, do you live with your mom?
Yeah.
So that would be a challenge because, you've got somebody who is pushing for non-veganism.
If I went vegan, she would support it.
All
But
right.
I'm just not, like, I don't know.
Okay, so that's cool. So let's say, how old are you?
17.
17. All right. So you know how to boil water. You can make lentils.
Yeah, I love cooking. I'm gonna be a chef.
You are?
Yeah, I'm going to culinary school in February.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
So hopefully when you get out of there, because they're going to make you chop up the body parts.
Of course.
Hopefully when you're in there, you're going to be asking questions like, hey, why is this culinary school hurting animals? Why do we have to do this? Why can't we just be a vegan culinary school? And hopefully when you get out, you'll open a vegan restaurant.
Yeah.
And I'll be the first one doing social media.
My dad used to work at a vegan restaurant, actually.
I'll be the first one doing social media, adversing your restaurant. I'll be telling everybody, check out this cool dude who opened a vegan restaurant. Anytime you need my help, you say, Miss Katie, can you advertise my restaurant? I'll be like, absolutely, because I'd be proud of you.
Yeah, no.
So I want you to be vegan.
Okay, well, I can give it a go.
Okay, so look, there's this thing called Veganuary. Have you ever heard of it?
Okay, I'm gonna guess it's you're going vegan in January.
That's right.
Yeah.
So thousands of people are doing it.
Like January 1st?
Yeah.
Okay.
So you sign up for Veganuary, and then they give you all the tips. They give you all kinds of recipes. And anytime somebody comes up to you with like a lame excuse, like they need whatever animal product or whatever, you'll have the answer.
Yeah.
You'll know. And maybe you'll be able to convince your mom as well, and that would truly be amazing.
Yeah.
So, considering you talked to me and you seem civilized and like you're actually going to try, if you still want to take your picture with me, that would be fine.
Can I?
Yeah. What's your first name?
Osha. O-S-H-A.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
My last
yeah.
name's Love.
Okay. Okay. Cool. All right. So I'm going to put my camera over here while you take a picture, and we'll film that.
Do it. Hold on.
And thanks for being kind and
Of course.
open.
Thank you. Wait.
And tell your mom, sorry if I came down hard on her. It's just that, I hear so many excuses and I know how incredibly the animals are suffering.
Well, of course.
Like, they are literally killing pigs in gas chambers. And people are stealing the milk from
the
cows.
Holocaust.
Have you watched the documentary called Dominion yet?
I haven't. Is it on Netflix?
You can watch it for free on YouTube.
Okay.
Ask your mom to watch it with you. And see if she has any emotional reaction. If she's crying and she's like, oh my God, this is terrible.
She should go
Then, yeah, and she can, 100%. Right? All the information is out there.
Yeah.
And you're a smart guy. You'll say, Mom, come on, we don't need to eat this thing.
Yeah.
Let me make you this. Let's work together.
What about, you're strictly vegan? No, you're not vegetarian, you don't eat eggs, you don't eat, you're strictly vegan?
Right, so
Yeah.
look, honestly, my arm's getting a bit tired
Yeah,
holding
of course,
the camera.
that's fine.
But when you watch Dominion, you'll see why.
Okay.
Because you're not supposed to eat eggs. Because in the egg industry, do you know what they do to the baby chicks?
Do they put something in them?
Okay, so I'll tell you, when the baby chicks are born, they never get to see their moms. They're born on conveyor belts, and there's humans that check to see if they're male or female. If they're male, they drop them into these blades, and they are cut up and murdered on the first day of their life because they're considered to be useless in the egg industry. So if you watch the videos of that, and you're a normal guy with a decent heart, you will bawl your eyes out, or at
Yeah.
least feel like, holy shit, I gotta not
that's
eat eggs.
horrible.
Do you know why you shouldn't be drinking cow's milk?
No.
Okay, so this is part of it. Your mom hasn't even educated you about the basic stuff. So just think of what happens with the eggs, and that why they kill the baby chicks, because they'll never be able to produce eggs in the egg industry. It's similar with the cows. Don't sexually assault me. Don't kidnap my baby. Don't steal milk from my body. Be vegan. Don't kill me. Save me. The baby boy cows will grow up and never be able to produce.
Milk.
That's right.
Yeah.
So they're useless.
Yeah.
There's no point in feeding them because
So
they're
they'll
not the
just
sick.
kill them.
They kill them.
That's pretty stupid.
It's absolutely evil.
Yeah, it's fucked.
like killing puppies.
Yeah, that's horrible. It's like killing puppies, kittens. Yeah.
Please watch the documentary Dominion.
I will.
And then send me an email. My email. You'll see it on my YouTube channel.
Okay.
And I've been going live pretty much every day on my YouTube channel lately. So, you know, I don't actually, I was going to say contact me there, but you won't be able to. There's so many comments.
Yeah, of course.
You know, send me something in email and tell me how it's going.
I will.
You know?
I'll let you know on January 1st.
All right.
Okay, cool. Super
Take
nice
care.
to meet you.
Fact. Veganism isn't about food. Fact. Veganism isn't about the environment. Fact. Veganism isn't about your health. Veganism is a justice movement which states that humans should live without exploiting animals because, like children, animals aren't objects to be bought, sold, commodified, utilized, sexually assaulted, enslaved, or exploited in any way. Okay? Okay, so let's go over it again. Veganism is a justice movement which states that humans should live without exploiting animals because, like children, animals aren't objects to be bought, sold, commodified, utilized, sexually assaulted, enslaved, or exploited in any way. Okay, let's sing it. Veganism is a justice movement which states that humans should live without exploiting animals because, like children, animals aren't objects to be bought, sold, commodified, utilized, sexually assaulted, enslaved, or exploited in any way. Go to That Vegan Teacher on YouTube and search for The Truth About the Animals You Eat. It's only 8 minutes long. We don't buy meat. We don't buy dairy. We don't buy eggs. We don't buy leather. We don't buy fur. We don't buy wool or silk. We don't steal from animals. We don't eat cats, cows, dogs, pigs, chickens. We don't eat turkeys. We don't eat frogs. We don't eat anyone. We don't go to places like circuses if there's animals there, or zoos because those animals have been taken out of the wild. We don't go to places like SeaWorld because we don't believe in kidnapping whales and putting them in little swimming pools for people to gawk at. Yes, we get enough protein. Plants have protein. That's how elephants get so big and giraffes get so tall. Yes, we get enough vitamins and nutrients from all of the different foods that we eat. Yes, we take a B12 pill. It costs 5 cents. Yes, there are vegans in the Olympics. The Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics has clearly stated you can be vegan at all stages of development, including pregnancy and lactation. Veganism is a justice movement which states that humans should live without exploiting animals because, like children, animals aren't objects to be bought, sold, commodified, utilized, sexually assaulted, enslaved, or exploited in any way. Sing it again. Veganism is a justice movement which states that humans should live without exploiting animals because, like children, animals aren't objects to be bought, sold, commodified, utilized, sexually assaulted, enslaved, or exploited in any way. It's not a diet. It's not a trend. It's not about you. It's about them. The animal victims. Leave them the fuck alone. Leave them the fuck. It's about them. The animal victims. Leave them the fuck alone. Let's follow That Vegan Teacher on YouTube right now.